Imagine sinking into the warm crackle of vinyl as timeless melodies fill the room. No digital filter can match that raw, authentic sound. Today, we're diving into the creme de la creme of turntables, uncovering the best record players that transform every spin into a cinematic auditory journey. Stay tuned. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Audio-Technica AT-LP60XBT-BK fully automatic stereo turntable, the best budget vinyl record player. Grab your favorite records and get ready to groove with the Audio-Technica AT-LP60XBT-BK fully automatic stereo turntable. This budget-friendly option stands out among similar models for its exceptional sound quality and user-friendly design. You'll appreciate its built-in Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to wirelessly connect to your favorite speakers. Enjoying vinyl has never been easier. The die-cast aluminum platter effectively reduces vibration, ensuring that your music stays pure and clear, even at higher volumes. Plus, the included attachment for 7-inch records adds versatility to your listening experience. One notable feature is its automatic operation, making it a breeze to use. Simply place your record on the turntable, press a button, and enjoy the music. This straightforward design is perfect for both beginners and seasoned vinyl enthusiasts. While a very slight delay exists between the record and Bluetooth speaker, it rarely impacts enjoyment. This minor quirk is easy to overlook when you consider the overall value of the turntable. What stands out most is how this model protects your records. Audio-Technica has a reputation for high-quality stylus cartridges, and this turntable continues that legacy without breaking the bank. Although it may lack some high-end features, it excels in providing essential functions for vinyl lovers. But what if you could cut the cords and stream vinyl wirelessly? At number 4, we have Marley Stir It Up Luxe Bluetooth Turntable, the best vinyl record player with Bluetooth. Reimagine your vinyl experience with the Marley Stir It Up Luxe Bluetooth Turntable. This stylish turntable blends natural design with modern functionality. With its sustainable bamboo, recycled aluminum, and glass construction, it stands out among competitors. One impressive aspect is its Bluetooth capability. This feature allows you to enjoy music from anywhere in the room. Cables won't clutter your space, letting you have a clean aesthetic. Pairing it with Bluetooth speakers retains much of the sound quality that vinyl enthusiasts love. You can also connect through RCA cables for an even purer sound, giving you flexibility based on your needs. Another highlight is the direct plug for headphones. This ensures that serious audiophiles get the best listening experience without interference. The setup process feels intuitive, especially with the built-in preamp and easy counterweight design. You'll be spinning records in no time. I truly appreciate the option to choose between an all-black matte finish or the unique Bob Marley Zoetrope design on the slip mat. It adds a fun touch to your home decor. However, some users might find the sound slightly enhanced with wired connections compared to Bluetooth. This is a minor consideration, as most won't notice a significant difference. Stay tuned. Up next is a model that brings studio-grade precision and pro-level control to your setup. Still searching for the perfect vinyl record player? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Audio-Technica AT-LP120XUSB-BK Direct Drive Turntable, the best vinyl record player for professionals. Transform your vinyl experience with the Audio-Technica AT-LP120XUSB-BK Direct Drive Turntable. Perfect for DJs, producers, or music enthusiasts, this model excels in versatile functionality. One standout feature is its ability to convert vinyl records into digital files while playing. This function proves invaluable for DJs needing to capture specific sounds for mixing. Additionally, it plays records at 78 revolutions per minute, catering to collectors of rare vinyl that many modern turntables overlook. Built-in flexibility shines through with the switchable preamp. Users can easily opt for an external preamp if desired, ensuring the best sound quality tailored to their setup. This adaptability allows you to customize your experience, which is a must for professionals seeking to create the perfect audio environment. After extensive use, what stands out most is its robust design. It feels solid and built to last, unlike some flimsy alternatives on the market. You can scratch, spin, and enjoy without worrying about damage. However, note that it may take some time to learn all of its features fully. While this enhances versatility, it could overwhelm a first-time user. In a sea of options, the Audio-Technica AT-LP120XUSB-BK stands out as a top choice for professionals. Its combination of digital conversion, speed options, and flexibility gives you a unique edge. Hold on tight, because our next pick blends cutting-edge design with sonic clarity tailored for today's music. At number 2, we have Pro-Ject Audio Systems Debut Carbon EVO, the best vinyl record player for modern music. Experience the depth of music like never before with the Pro-Ject Audio Systems Debut Carbon EVO, a standout record player designed for modern listeners. This device does more than just play records. It captures every note crisply and clearly, making your favorite albums come alive. One key feature is the RCA cables, which include a grounding cable to ensure a pristine phono signal. These cables connect to gold-plated output sockets, enhancing sound quality by preserving the signal from the cartridge. You'll appreciate this detail, especially if clarity and fidelity are important to you. The design also boasts stability, effectively minimizing vibrations during playback. This feature is crucial for modern music, where intricate layers can easily get lost in noise. You'll notice how this precision elevates your listening experience and makes each track feel immersive. What I particularly enjoy about this player is its sleek appearance. It fits effortlessly into any contemporary setup, making it not just functional but also a stylish addition to your space. While this turntable excels in many areas, it may take some time to get accustomed to its features. However, this learning curve is relatively minor compared to the incredible sound it produces. Comparing it to similar models, the Debut Carbon EVO stands out for its high-fidelity performance. And finally, discover the turntable that outperforms them all, setting a new gold standard in sci-fi playback. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Fluance RT85N reference high-fidelity vinyl turntable record player, the best vinyl record player overall. Experience audiophile quality sound with the Fluance RT85N reference high-fidelity vinyl turntable record player. This model impresses on multiple fronts, making it worthy of the title Best Vinyl Record Player overall. Setup is a breeze. Clear instructions guide you through the quick assembly. You won't struggle with complicated processes. Simply position the belt drive around the motor for seamless operation. A nifty leveling tool helps you ensure your surface is just right for optimal playback. Sound quality shines with the RT85N. You'll enjoy a balanced listening experience where no aspect of your favorite records overshadows another. Crisp vocals and detailed instrumentals enhance your music enjoyment, which surpasses many models at a similar price. Comfortably fits into various audio setups, but it's worth noting that this turntable lacks a built-in preamp. This means you'll need to connect it to an external preamp or a compatible speaker system with one. While this adds an extra step, it allows for tailored sound setups that can elevate your listening experience even more. What stands out most is the excellent balance and clarity delivered by the RT85N, making music come alive with every spin. If there's anything to adjust to, it's the need for additional connections, which some might see as an initial hurdle but ultimately promotes a personalized audio journey. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best vinyl record players. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which vinyl record player you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.